Next here, we're at this house. It's week 1. I caught 5 squirrels so far, and he's still reporting more. Well, anyway, when he first called me, I was like skeptical, like 1 or 2. And I'm like, nah, he's gonna probably have about 5 or 6. And sure enough, 5 squirrels later, he's still calling about noise. So I'm here to check the outside traps. I had traps on the roof. I took them down, and then I started putting traps down here. Oh, we got one. So there he is. Hey! And it was like in the 20s, 20 degrees this morning. If this squirrel was in the trap, if this squirrel was in the trap exposed to the elements, it would have froze to death. But in this container, it's nice and dry, away from the wind. So that's squirrel number 5 or 6. Yeah, squirrel number 6 actually. So this is the 6th squirrel. So I got these other 2. Let's see. This one is not a standard one. It's a very small trap. Nothing has gotten inside, but it took the peanuts from the start. They know it's a trap. They know it's a trap because they eat the peanuts from the front. See all the peanuts on there, on the sides. And I made it so I cut the hole so they can't squeeze in. Well, if they're smart, they could probably try to squeeze in. But this is great. Use these containers and cut out so if we catch a squirrel, it'll be out of public view. Also, other predator animals like fox and raccoons won't come drag the trap, you know, in the middle of the yard trying to get to the squirrel. But the squirrels are coming from this soffit here, so I was hoping that he would report no more noise, and then I can go ahead and seal that up. But the next couple of days it's going to rain like a lot, and but it's going to be 60 degrees the next couple of days. So once it stops raining, I'm going to go right up on that roof and seal that up. Well, I'm going to go inside now. He wanted me to put a trap in the attic, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put a trap in the attic for him, even though this is working. I'll let him decide.